Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. We are done with the paintings, we are done with the bathroom, which turned out great, but also had some very hard problems, if you can believe and imagine. But yeah, let's start with this small room, which will be like the mudroom or changing rooms, something like that. We will have here a little bench where we can take our shoes off, but I want to show you the colors. We wanted to have some Nordic colors, so we love blue and we wanted something very like warm but not so dark. So we didn't want like lagoon blue or sky blue or something like that. Maybe now it's a little bit darker because it's very cold outside and outcasted, but yeah, let me show you the colors in the other rooms. So here will be the lounge. As you can see, everything's empty. We have, as I've mentioned before, we have the AC here, and here we went only with two shades, like shades of blue and shades of taupe. So here it's like, the color is called apricot. It's like a peachy pink, very open room. And we also got some chandeliers, if you can. This is not new, honestly. This is inherited, let's say. I don't know if this will stay forever here, but I like it. I also like the light that it gives, even though it's not fully yet with light bulbs. And I also like, of course, the rosette there. So yeah, here it's the room. I'm waiting for someone to help me clean all these windows, because yeah, the workers did a terrible job, as you can see. So we have to clean a lot of the windows. It's horrible. And also the doors we have to clean. And here will be our bedroom, which is also in blue. Here it's the only room where we don't have chandelier yet, but my husband found a very pretty one. So we already ordered the furniture. Here are some stuff. It's the little piano right here. So yeah, this will go to the other room. I will take you there soon. This is from a bed, from the white bed. If you remember from the previous vlogs, I showed you the white furniture. It was very pretty white furniture. So that I had them repainted. I found a very talented girl, and she will also repaint the bed. So this will be the base to that bed, which will go in that room right there. So yeah, here it's the Nordic blue color. I forgot the name of the color, but I have it written down somewhere. So yeah, here I have a lot of other stuff, some pillows. There I have some drawers from another furniture. So just a little update, because it's a mess still. So we sold this. I'm waiting for the lady to come and pick it up. And we are going to repaint all this beautiful white furniture. This is the bed. It has some nice details. This is the dresser. We got two of them, but they need some TLC, as you can see. And I love the model, the details, the carving, everything. It's super beautiful, but it needs some fixing. and I can't do it myself. So a lady who paints everything will come and pick them up today. So we're going to repaint the whole set. We've got 2 dressers, we've got a bed. I don't know how to call that, but still gorgeous though. Don't mind the floor right there because it's going to be refilled. And got a vanity here, also from the set, also with the same gorgeous carving. This also needs to be repainted. And here I have the chair for it. This is also going to be repainted. So everything's going to be white again, and just like new. It needs some gluing, and look how gorgeous details. I love it. So everything from here will go out of the room if I and when I will have some help. So now I will take you to another room. Just look how dirty these doors are. So yeah, I need help, but yeah, I will get it. Also in the lounge area we didn't found the chandelier yet, but in the mudroom is up already, and I love it. Me and my husband chose it. We've got 2 of these, but this is covered, so until we move. So it's kind of difficult to find chandeliers for these rosettes, like bigger chandeliers, because their wall attachment is very big, very huge, so it's not compatible with these decors on the ceiling. So that's why we found it very difficult to find 2 other chandeliers. So yeah, this remained here because I really love this chandelier. It's huge. I washed it, it's super gorgeous. Even though this color, ooh, I have some huge echo right here. Even though this color looks pinker, when the light comes in, because now we have the blockers on, it's more taupe. Actually, I think the color is taupe something, but it looks pretty pink. And from all the furniture right here, we kept this because I really love it. It's full of china, but I will move everything because I love everything, and we will move it to the kitchen. So next I want to show you the floor. If you remember, all the floors were very dark. All the floors were like black, but we found a good team which helped us revamp all this floor right here. So now it looks like brand new. It's almost 100-year oak floor, so we really wanted to keep it, even though some people told us, especially the workers who can't appreciate something very good, oh, just throw it away, just buy something new, just take it out, you know, stuff like this. But after we redid the floor, I will put some videos right in for you to see how the process is going, and you will be amazed. It wasn't cheap, but it wasn't expensive either. We love this pattern right here. It's super classy, and I love it, honestly. It's gorgeous. So the brand which they painted over, like the lacquer, it's water-based and it's from Bona. I think it's UK company, but you can find it in the US also, and they chose Traffic HD for this. So I know I can't really wash it with water. That's the instructions I received. so I can only wash it with a special spray from Bona. So here is the bathroom, but I'm not going to reveal more this time because we still have some stuff right here which I have to move, and only after that I will show you. But the floor, I'm in love with the floor. It's gorgeous. It's super stunning. It was worth it. It was worth redoing it because it's timeless. It's timeless and we actually really love it. So next I'm going to take you, but just a sneak peek to see a part of our kitchen and our dining area, because I told you we will have a pantry or a smaller kitchen, but it resulted we could do other stuff also. So yeah, I still have to take my plants out because look, they're here. My husband built for me this plant rack for the winter because yeah, I told you I love succulents, and some of them survived, some of them didn't. But yeah, I also got some washing machines. This area right here, it's not done yet because we had problems with everyone, like also like the construction guys, the furniture guys, the plumber. It was a hassle with the plumber. It was a hassle because he only he did a terrible job with us, and I had to find other two plumbers to fix what he did. So yeah, this is our kitchen right now. Only a sneak peek right here, but it's gorgeous. I love it. We still have to get some other furniture in this area right here because we have to mask all this stuff right here, and we also have to clean the windows, which is the most time-consuming part. We've got the lightnings here. Also, just look at this gorgeous one. I will show you more in detail after it's done. But yeah, I'm super excited, and we only have like not so much to do, but I really need help since I can't do everything myself right now, and I hope to find it because it's very expensive to find help nowadays. And yeah, we still have to find furniture. We only found furniture for our bedroom, and that's enough. That's super fine. We already have for the dining area, so we have already tables and chairs, and the rest will come in the upcoming months. So we are not rushing anything. We just can't wait to move here. Yeah, so that's it for today, ladies. I can't wait to show you more. I'm super excited for everything that's coming, and I'm also very positive and optimistic about it. Also, I can't wait for the good weather so I can enjoy some outside time and do some gardening when I can. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this update with everything here. So yeah, I will see you next time. Bye bye.